Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we look at the indices today in America because they have been fighting back quite significantly. We saw quite a big drop in October and quite a sell-off on the three majors of the Dow, the Nasdaq and the S&P, and fears that there will be a recession and not a soft landing for the American economy. Whereas now the Fed has seemingly eased up on its pausing of rate hikes. We've got one more before the end of the year, so where can that go and where can that send the indices as well? But like I said, they've really been fighting back. We've had all three indices having this V-shaped recovery. And if we just start off from the Nasdaq on the daily chart, we're just seeing now, as you can look on the charts here, I'll just zoom in so it's a little bit easy to see. We saw this dramatic sell-off on the Nasdaq quite significantly, but since then we've had bullish movement after bullish movement, and not only that, we have actually broken the last top that we've seen. So if we can keep above the mid region of the 15,000 area, then there's no reason why we can't be looking at the next levels higher and higher. It is quite a bit of a push to get back to these nice lofty highs that we've seen towards 16,000 anytime soon. There could be a little bit more of a sell-off after this V-shaped recovery. It'll be interesting to see if we do find some heavy resistance. But at the moment, it's looking nice. We've had earnings season coming to an end. Quite a big mixed bag of earnings, especially for the top performers. We saw Microsoft yesterday not only closing at its highest, the record high, but actually moving above that as well. So a fresh new high set for Microsoft. Apple did have quite a good run as well. So it is really seeing where the earnings is going to go next time around as we close out this fourth quarter as well, and obviously 2023. But for now, the Nasdaq is looking nicely buoyant, and it's just waiting to see now for when the American session does open, if we do get some resistance and if we can start moving a little bit higher. The Dow, on the other hand, as you can see here, it did have more of a fall from grace in the last few trading sessions. It was actually moving quite significantly lower, but after this double bottom was formed, bullish wave after bullish wave, and as you can see here, similar to the Nasdaq, we're just seeing now it eclipsed the previous swing high, and now we're in a slight consolidation mode before we get another signal, possibly some resistance to bring it a little bit further down. But if we can get some confirmation and start bringing it a little bit above 34,000, then this could be quite a big, a nice test towards the mid region of the 34,000 area. So just look out for that as well. And finishing off with the S&P today, again, very similar like the Nasdaq. We're just seeing now where we're going to go. So V-shaped recovery, and it is having more of a heavy resistance at the moment because we didn't really eclipse the previous swing high. So with that being said, it could have more of a halt in proceedings and in price action as well. So let me know what you think, what you're trading on. The big indices are in the news today because of the the levels that they're at now. They've completed this V-shaped recovery. However, there is a chance that it could actually start moving a bit lower as well now. So very, very opportunistic times. Just keep an eye on gold and dollar as usual, because gold is having a bit more strength. The dollar is having a bit more strength in the last few trading sessions than gold, but gold is still having this emphasis that it will reach 2,000 by the end of this month. So we'll see if that comes into fruition. But like always, we'll keep you updated on our Telegram and YouTube channels. So stick with us, stay ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.